There's a reason why Cinema 4D is the 3D application of choice for motion graphics artists, and that is in part largely down to the MoGraph toolset. The creative possibilities when using MoGraph are virtually limitless. So what is MoGraph? It's a group of objects which allow for procedural modelling and animation within Cinema 4D. These objects include the cloner, which is the core of the MoGraph system, and up here, effectors, which allow you to manipulate clones. There's also other objects such as special shaders for colorizing clones, and you can use tags for recording and storing information about clones. As mentioned, the cloner is the core of MoGraph, and in order for the cloner object to work, the object to be cloned must be a child of the cloner. So keep that in mind, we're always working within a hierarchy. You can use MoGraph to create awesome animations with minimal setup and very few keyframes. It's even possible to create animations with no keyframes at all. You can see there's absolutely nothing in this timeline here. You can also use the tools in your modelling workflow too. Think about objects that would repeat. This could be a bridge. We could also take a tree and clone it onto a landscape and turn it into a small forest or meadow. We've seen from these examples that the MoGraph tools are deeply integrated into Cinema 4D. So whether you're using the tools to create animation or in a modelling workflow, just remember you can take a relatively simple shape and put it into a cloner and then repeat and manipulate it in a way that appears far more complex and visually striking.